Today we're going to be showcasing the OWS-5 package system. The system consists of the SKIMSTER floating oil skimmer, a 5-gallon per minute oil water separator, and a 1/2-inch air diaphragm pump. The typical setup of the system consists of the skimmer sitting inside an oily wastewater tank, which is connected to the 1/2-inch diaphragm pump, which feeds the oil water separator where the oil and water will be separated. Today we're going to be putting the clean water back into the oily wastewater tank, and the oil will be recycled into a 5-gallon pail. Now let's take a look inside the oil water separator. First we have the influent pipe, the influent chamber, the cube, which is the oil water separator coalescing media. It's a patented product by HOH. We have an adjustable skimmer, adjustable to the oil level. We have the effluent chamber and the effluent pipe. Now let's pour some used oil inside the tote. And watch the skimmer do its job. The SKIMSTER floating oil skimmer is skimming the oily wastewater through the 3/4 inch hose to the air diaphragm pump into the oil water separator. Let's take a closer look at the skimmer. As you can see, the skimmer is doing its job. Now let's take a look inside the oil water separator. The oily wastewater is being pumped into the separator. The oil droplets are rising up through the coalescing media, and now we're going to go ahead and adjust our rotary skimmer to the oil level. Let's take another look at the skimmer. Looking inside the oil water separator again, you can see that the skimmer is feeding the separator, and the oil is rising to the top, and we've adjusted our rotary skimmer to the oil level. Now let's take a look at the oil coming out of the used oil outlet. This is the used oil coming out of the used oil outlet of the separator for recycling. Let's take another look at the skimmer. As you can see, the skimmer is doing its job. Let's zoom in and again, we're using a 1/2-inch diaphragm pump to feed the separator to the skimmer. Let's HOH manufactures the OWS-5 system and the skimmer in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We can be reached on the web at www.hohcorp.com